Hello, welcome back to 360 HMS tutorials. Now we are going to learn how to make a reservation. So let's jump in. First, we need to log in to 360 HMS. Enter your username and password. Next, we will go to front office, then advanced booking. Click on advanced booking. Let's assume that we made this booking yesterday, just for this tutorial. It was done on 7. Okay, the client going to check in today at 8 p.m. He's checking out on the 10 at midday. We're going to add one client. We're going to call this client Adam Smith. Print name, company name, private. Gender is coming from USA. Mobile phone 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Email is adam@email.com. So we save. Next, we're going to check which room type. Let's say we go for double bed. We will have to check availability, which room is available on this date. We see that all the rooms, this is a room available. We want one room. We select 2-1. Booking through agent, booking source, direct booking. What's the remark? Put pick up the airport at 6 p.m. Terminal 1 airport, sorry. Then save. Yeah, we're going to put if we have any advance payment from the client. Like say the client pay 50,000 in advance through online payment. We have this all is our payment options. He pay from Bank of Kigali. It means he pay online. That money is going direct to a Bank of Kigali account. Like paid via website. Then we save. Right, this is a confirmation receipt for the payment. US sales, this information. Yeah. Then we can also convert this in other currency like US dollar. Convert. Hello, welcome back to 360 HMS tutorials. Now we are going to learn how to make a reservation. So let's jump in. First, we need to log in to 360 HMS. We can see the expected arrival today. We have 1. This is expected arrival. We can go to front office. We have the information on booking. This is the booking number, the date. Click on arrival, booking, departure. Let's assume that we made the payment register for this account, 50,000 paid via website. Room type and number from. Okay, so we have to check informations. We can also check their booking report, advanced booking report. We'll find the same information there. We can cancel this booking by clicking here. He's checking out on the time. Have to put midday cancellation reason. We're going to add one client. Thank you so much. We're going to call this client Adam on the next video. Bye. Print name, company name, private. Gender is coming from USA. Mobile phone 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Email is adam@email.com. So we save. Next, we're going to check which room type. Let's say we go for double bed. We will have to check availability, which room is available on this date. We see that all the rooms, this is a room available. We want one room. We select 2-1. booking through agent, booking source, direct booking. What's the remark? Put pick up the airport at 6 p.m. Terminal 1 airport, sorry. Then save. Yeah, we're going to put if we have any advance payment from the client. Like say the client pay 50,000 in advance through online payment. We have this, all is our payment options. He pay from Bank of Kigali, it means he pay online, that money is going direct to a Bank of Kigali account. Like paid via website, then receive. Right, this is a confirmation receipt for the payment. US sales, this informations. Yeah, then we can also convert this in other currency like US dollar, convert. So the client paid $53 online, about there, for close it. Now we can see that we go back to home. Now we can see that expected to arrive today. We have one. This is expected to arrive. We can see it by clicking there. We have the information on booking. This is a booking number, the date, arrival, departure. This is a payment register for this account, 50,000 paid via website, room type, and number from 1. So we have other informations. We can also check the booking report, advanced booking report. We'll find the same information there. We can cancel this booking by clicking here, and you have to put the cancellation reason. So thank you so much to follow up. See you on the next video. Bye.